Here we go with problem 4. A and B, it says they're parallel. We got this big triangle here, which we know all triangles have to 180. And we have all these things to figure out. It wants us to figure y here and x here. But again, I'm going to fill in everything, and then I'll worry about what y and x came out to be. Well, when I first start this, as I suggest to you guys, always fill in around. The first thing I see is this 110 right here. I know it's linear pair beside it's got to be 70 to form that straight line right there. So 110 and 70 makes the 180 I need. This has got to be 110 because those are vertical angles, and then that's got to be 70 to make that. Also, once I had the 70, the 110 go in this line right here, those were a linear pair, just like the bottom 110 and 70 had to be a linear pair. Now, I could pick these up and place them down here. That'll help me, except for the problem is this line doesn't extend. But it does give me these two parts right here that I can get. So I know if the top 70 and 110, they're going to slide down here and be 70 and 110. The other way I could have gotten 70 is I could have used my old Z-Meister that I like right there. See the Z? That's always nice and easy. That's another way to have gotten 70. So you got 70 and 30. So you know this corner of the triangle's 100 right there. Okay, if you take this line out knowing that you had 70 and 30, that makes 100. That corner up there was 50, so I could come up with this guy down here. We'll do it in a minute though. Let's look here. How am I going to get these guys over in here? Well, can I pick these up and slide them here? No, you can't slide down a parallel line. You slide down a transversal to the other parallel line. So you can't slide these. But do notice, right here, you have a triangle, a little small triangle. So 70 and 50 is 120. That makes this guy right here 60. If that's 60 degrees, right beside it's got to be 120. It's vertical angle 60. And then right here 120, linear pair here. These can be picked up, slid down the transversal to the other parallel line. So the top left and right go down here, bottom left and right come down here. Now, what I could do is I could see this triangle here with 30 and 120 is 150, 150 and 30 gives me my answer. And again, we could say, oh, well, that was 100 plus 50 plus 30 if I looked at the triangle right here, the big one, the whole big one that started the problem. Again, multiple ways to get your answer. You just have to keep asking yourself, what do I know? What do I know? Look for triangles, look for parallel lines, look for Z-Meisters. Those things will help you get all the angles you need.